Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a simple kitchen ingredient with incredible health benefits. While most people use it for baking or household cleaning, very few realize that just one spoonful a day can transform their well-being. This natural compound has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help balance pH levels, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. But how exactly does it work, and what are the best ways to use it? We will explore the science-backed benefits of baking soda and how incorporating it into your daily routine can have profound effects on your body. Stay tuned, since number 2 health benefit might just surprise you. A quick reminder, this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. If you have any health concerns, it's best to consult with a doctor. Now, let's discover these amazing baking soda benefits. Number 9. Supports urinary health. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has remarkable benefits for urinary health. It works by neutralizing the acidity in urine, which helps reduce symptoms of urinary tract infections, UTIs, such as burning sensations, frequent urination, and pelvic pain. A more alkaline environment in the urinary tract makes it harder for harmful bacteria to thrive, ultimately preventing infections from taking hold. Men over 50 are more susceptible to UTIs due to factors such as prostate enlargement, which can lead to urine retention and an increased risk of bacterial growth. The alkalizing effect of baking soda provides relief and support by balancing pH levels, potentially decreasing the occurrence of UTIs and improving overall urinary function. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of water and drink it daily on an empty stomach to help maintain urinary tract alkalinity and overall health. Number 8. Supports circulation for erectile dysfunction, ED. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common issue affecting nearly 50% of men over 50. Poor circulation is one of the leading causes of ED as it limits blood flow to the penile tissues. Baking soda plays a role in balancing pH levels and reducing inflammation, which can significantly improve vascular health and circulation. Studies suggest that an alkaline diet, including baking soda, can improve ED symptoms by up to 30%. Maintaining good blood flow is critical for sexual health, and an alkaline internal environment helps prevent the formation of plaques in blood vessels. Improved circulation means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues, including those responsible for erectile function. Drink 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water each morning. Pair this habit with antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries and strawberries, which help support blood vessel health. Number 7. Boosts testosterone levels. Testosterone levels naturally decline with age, and by the time men reach their 60s, nearly 20% experience significantly low levels. This decline can lead to fatigue, reduced libido, and muscle loss. One factor that contributes to decreased testosterone is chronic inflammation and excessive acidity in the body. Baking soda counteracts this by reducing acidity, thereby creating a more favorable environment for testosterone production. Since the body requires an optimal pH balance to produce hormones effectively, maintaining an alkaline state with baking soda may help preserve testosterone levels and overall vitality. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to a smoothie with protein-rich foods such as eggs, nuts, or lean meats. Combine this with regular exercise to further enhance testosterone production. Number 6. Promotes prostate health. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostatitis are common prostate-related conditions among aging men. BPH causes an enlarged prostate, leading to frequent urination, weak urine flow, and discomfort. Prostatitis, which is inflammation of the prostate gland, can result in pelvic pain and urinary issues. By reducing systemic inflammation and balancing the body's pH, baking soda may help alleviate symptoms of these prostate conditions. A balanced pH has been shown to lower inflammatory markers linked to prostate problems, providing relief and promoting long-term prostate health. Take 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in water daily. To enhance benefits, consume it alongside lycopene-rich foods such as tomatoes, which have been linked to improved prostate health. Number 5. Supports kidney health. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, affects approximately 1 in 7 adults in the US, with many cases linked to high acidity levels in the blood. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and maintaining pH balance, but excessive acidity can overburden them and contribute to kidney dysfunction. Research has shown that sodium bicarbonate therapy can slow CKD progression by 50%, highlighting its importance for kidney health. Baking soda works by reducing acidity, thereby easing the workload on the kidneys and preventing further damage. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who have high blood pressure or diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Drink 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water daily. For optimal kidney health, pair this with a kidney-friendly diet that is low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, while being rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Number 4, boosts exercise performance. One of the most powerful benefits of baking soda is its ability to improve athletic performance. During intense physical activity, the body produces lactic acid, which can cause muscle fatigue and soreness. By acting as a buffering agent, baking soda helps neutralize this acid buildup, delaying fatigue and allowing for longer, more effective workouts. Studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research have demonstrated that athletes who consume baking soda before exercise experience enhanced stamina and reduced muscle burn. This makes it an excellent supplement for men over 50 who may experience declining endurance due to aging. Drink a solution of 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water before workouts to improve endurance and overall workout performance. Number 3, improves digestion and gut health. Baking soda is a well-known natural remedy for acid reflux, bloating, and indigestion. It neutralizes excess stomach acid, providing quick relief from heartburn and other digestive discomforts. Additionally, baking soda supports gut health by maintaining an optimal pH balance, which promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and even mental well-being. Since acidity in the stomach can sometimes lead to issues like ulcers or acid reflux disease, balancing it with baking soda can help maintain digestive health. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it after meals if you experience acid reflux or bloating. Number 2, supports detoxification and liver health. The liver is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances from the body, but excessive acidity can put a strain on its function. Baking soda assists in detoxification by helping to remove toxins and heavy metals from the body while maintaining an alkaline environment that supports liver function. Studies suggest that an alkaline pH can enhance the body's ability to eliminate waste and toxins. This means baking soda may contribute to improved liver health and overall well-being. Consume 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with lemon juice in a glass of water to support liver detoxification. Number 1, enhances skin health. Baking soda has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent remedy for various skin issues, including acne, rashes, and fungal infections. It helps balance the skin's pH and soothes irritation, reducing redness and inflammation. For individuals dealing with body odor or excessive sweating, baking soda can also act as a natural deodorant by neutralizing odor-causing bacteria. Create a paste with baking soda and water, applying it to affected areas of the skin for a few minutes before rinsing. For a natural deodorant, mix baking soda with coconut oil and apply it to underarms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more health and wellness insights.